I'll be honest, when I first started working in complex systems 30 plus years ago, I thought systems thinking meant using diagrams and tools. I was wrong. The biggest shift came when I realized this. Systems don't think. People think about systems, and most people think reactively, not systemically. Once I learned to slow down and examine the structure behind the chaos, everything changed. Here are the 10 principles I rely on every single day. Not as theory, but as survival skills. 1. Awareness. This is the real foundation. Slow down enough to notice the system before you change it. 2. Distinctions. What is it? What is it not? Clarity creates signal. Confusion creates noise. 3. Relationships. Nothing works alone. Every action has a reaction, and every reaction has a ripple. 4. Systems. Parts, whole. Zoom out to see the system. Zoom in to see its structure. The truth lives between those two views. 5. Perspectives. Every person sees a different system. The more lenses you use, the fewer blind spots you have. 6. Nonlinear cause and effect. Small actions, big consequences. Big actions, no effect at all. Delays hide reality. 7. Purposeful thinking. Don't let the system think for you. Pause. Question assumptions. Choose your cognition. 8. Synthesis. Anyone can analyze. Systems. Thinkers connect the dots others don't see. 9. Leverage points. Find the few places where small moves create massive impact. 10. Continuous learning. Systems evolve. Your mental models must evolve with them. If I've learned anything, it's this. The real work of systems thinking is improving the thinker, not the system. Which one of these 10 resonates most with how you work or challenges the way you think today? I'd love to hear your perspective. Remember to like, subscribe, and join the conversation at Systems Thinking with Priority Problem Solvers.